Today we'll talk about a gorgeous flowering plant, Aeschynanthus, which is commonly known as lipstick plant. We'll talk about this plant in detail, how to propagate it, what kind of care they require, flowering season, watering requirements, everything. The plant gets its name lipstick plant because of the flower buds that peek out of dark colored tubes, which looks like a miniature tube of lipstick. Its leaves are thick and waxy, and the red blossoms emerge from a dark maroon bud. Once it blooms, it remains on the plant for a couple of days before falling off. This plant is native to Asia and it blooms in clusters in bright red color. It's a tropical plant, so it loves lots of water or moisture into it. So make sure to keep the soil moist if grown in hanging baskets. Let's talk about its light requirement for flowering. The plant needs bright light. If you keep the plant in complete shade, it won't flower, it will only produce foliage, that is leaves. If we talk about its flowering season, they bloom in spring till summer till fall season. So basically the plant goes to dormancy during winters, and as soon as spring comes it starts producing flowers. The plant can be very easily grown in hanging baskets as its roots are shallow, it doesn't grow very deep. It's a low maintenance plant, it doesn't need much care or attention. Just make sure to keep the soil moist as it's a tropical plant and it will flower in its flowering season. If we talk about how to propagate this plant, it's very easy to grow from its stem cuttings. Just snip off the cutting of this plant with multiple nodes, remove few bottom leaves, insert the cutting into soil, and it's done. Get a cutting from your neighborhood or buy this plant from nursery and enjoy its beautiful bright red color flowers. That's all for today guys. See you soon with one more interesting video. Bye bye.